Hello everybody, November 17th, 2019. It's now 10:36 a.m. Take a look at the sky, it's really strange. Look how dark it is right up in here, everybody. Look how dark that is. What do we got here? I mean, look at this. Straight up above me. Got a passing one of the planets. Exactly what we're seeing. Wow. Look at the popcorn clouds. This is unreal. Another example of what the PlanetX system is doing to our sky, everybody. They even been laying trails down. Pretty bad. Walk back here again, take another look. Look all around the sun. And look at this stuff. Look how dark it is there, everybody. I mean, it is dark. I can't even see. Sorry for the shaking. What do we got over here? Right off that corner. Wow. Pretty interesting. Wow. Yeah, I believe it's something going by, everybody. Okay. We'll end it here 1 second. One last shot here. Man. Isn't that incredible? Incredible. So dark right in here. Just so dark. Alright, everybody. I'm going to end it now. Thanks for watching. Morning, everybody. November 17th, 2019. Now 10:27 a.m. Just want to take a look at the sky. It's really strange. But you can see Skippy's busy here. Well, let's look at the sky. Got the moon up there. But look at this, everybody. It's just crazy looking. Sure looks like there's something right. Let's see if I can find it. Right there. See what I'm talking about? It looks rounded. Wow. But yeah, check this sky out, everybody. Look how dark it is right there. And they're laying the trails down, too. Wow. I mean, look at the shapes here, everybody. Incredible looking. Look at this over here. Wow. Just amazing sky. Wispies. Kind of looks like an arrow pointing. And we got something there. Just don't look right. Sorry, I'm walking. Hey, you see Skippy over here too, everybody. He's doing another one there. Let's see if I can pick him up. Yeah, there he is. I wonder what the purpose of that is today. Oh, this is strange over here. Let's see if I can get it. I'm gonna see if I can get away from these wires a little bit. It's more south. Take a look in the south. It's the south. But look at that sky. Look how dark it is right up in here, everybody. Skippy going way down there. Wow. Incredible. What is that? The sun's over here. Amazing. What is that? So much wandering. And you got the moon there. This early in the morning. And you got the moon right there. Man, what's above the sun? Pick him up. Where is he? Right there he is. But he ain't laying no trails. See that, everybody? That's the difference. between a contrail and the other one. His is disappearing as he flies. As you can clearly see, his trail's disappearing, where this one over here is not. So, one more look at the sun. I'm going to end it. Amazing. Sure don't look right, everybody. Wow. Okay, I'm going to end it. Thanks for watching.